As you're well aware by now, the agents from the GBI secured arrest warrants yesterday afternoon for the arrest of William Bryan in Glenn County, Georgia. He was charged with the offenses of felony murder and criminal attempt to commit the felony offense of false imprisonment. The defendant was arrested around 5:35 yesterday evening in Glenn County without incident. We intended on turning over every stone in this case. The agents have done that, and I'm very, very proud of the work they're doing, and I appreciate them.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Joyette Holmes, the District Attorney for the Cobb Judicial Circuit. Our office will be handling the prosecution of the case against those who are charged in the murder of Ahmaud Arbery.
I will say this, again, not to speak on the facts. They'll come out in a court of law, but I can tell you that if we believed he was a witness, we wouldn't have arrested him. You know, so there's probable cause, and we're comfortable with that. Yes, sir. We have accumulated a number of pieces of video in the case. I'm not going to speak specifically about what we took from him, but eventually that will come out in a court of law, but suffice it to say there are a number of pieces of video that helped us get to this point. You know, I don't want to speak on that directly. I will tell you that things that are relevant to this murder case we've looked at and are continuing to look at, if they're relevant to the murder case. What I would ask people to remember is that sometimes things happen in a case where perhaps acts are foolish, where perhaps acts are something that societally speaking we frown upon. Doesn't mean they're criminal. You know, we have to be able to differentiate as my father often told me, differences in criminal acts and difference between acts of people who have their head stuck up their rear end.